Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to give you a video here. Welcome to Equipment Remarketing. This is a 2014 Moffett M55 sitting here showing 2,777 hours. It has a backrest, 10-foot mast, new tires all the way around. You have brick and block forks, but for free we can check that. We can switch that out for pallet forks. So it's either or. You get pallet forks or brick and block forks, or for extra, you can have both. This thing's been completely repainted and refurbished. Now, repaint is when we go in here, we take off the roller cage, the seat, this diamond plating here, many of these gray covers, the front, the top hood, back cover, the battery box. Many of these parts are removed. We paint them separately, put them back together so you have a nice finish. Also give you all new decals. We go in here when we refurbish this, we look for anything such as hoses, leaking cylinders, wheel motors, pressure and leak tests, the hydraulic system and the hydraulic pump. Anything found to be bad is replaced. Same with wearable parts such as pins, bushings, rollers, mass bearings, chains, anything of that matter that doesn't check out, it's taken care of. Now, ladies and gentlemen, look how nice and shiny this thing is. We'll show you in the back here, all your oil's been changed. Actually, this back tire is about 70%, not new, but the fronts are new. So that's a correction there. Now I'm going to show you the engine compartment. Look how nice and clean this engine compartment is. There's your V2203 Kubota. We're going to go ahead and fire this up and show you some operations. Hear this baby come to life. Now we're going to show you some mast operations. Mast going up and down. We have tilt. We have a side shift. We have outriggers. Mast carries in and out. I'm going to show you a little bit of driving around, show you how nice the wheel motors are in sync. Tight steering. Have yourself a backup alarm as well. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to talk about this or any other Moffett we have here, you can call us 260-238-4998, 260-238-4998, or you can check us out on the web, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com. Thank you.